This is another one of those meals that you probably forgot about: baked beans and rice, or pork and beans and rice. So to a pan, you're going to add whatever sausage you like to your pan. I like smoked sausage by Hillshire, and you're just going to brown it on both sides. Get some color on it. Not too much color, but just enough. You're going to add in some onion. You're going to dice your onion fairly small. Now, how much you choose to use is up to you. This is about the amount that I like. And you're going to toss that into that fat that has rendered from the sausage. You see that grease? Yeah, we didn't even add any. It's just coming out the sausage. Then you're going to add in your baked beans of choice. I prefer Bush's baked beans, the brown sugar flavor. That's my favorite. And you're just going to dump it right in. This is a one-pot meal, okay, aside from the rice. You're going to stir it all together, making sure everything's combined. Well, don't stir it, but, kind of fold it in. And to that, you're going to add some brown sugar. I personally think a little sweetness never hurts when it comes to baked beans, okay? And then you're going to throw in a dash of pepper and just a pinch of salt, just to bring all those flavors together. And you're going to let that simmer on low heat for not even 10 minutes. And it's going to be beautiful. But go ahead and taste it. Make sure it's sweet enough for you. Now, if it's too sweet, I don't know what to tell you. Make sure you don't add too much brown sugar in the beginning. And this is what you have: baked beans, sausage, and rice. It's quick, it's easy, it's cheap, and it's delicious. My sons, they always ask for seconds when I make this. My husband, he loves it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.